this is one of the simplest and the easiest ice cream recipe I have ever made. I'm very sure you're waiting for the recipe. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. But before that, this is a cooking channel, and please, if you are interested after watching this video, do not hesitate to subscribe for more. So in my cooking pot, I have my 6 cups of milk. Okay, so I'm going to take some of that and then add my custard flour to it. The milk I will take from this, that is what I'm going to add my custard flour to it. Okay, and mix it very well so it becomes uniform. So I'm just going to take just 1/3 cup of the milk, mix it with my custard powder, which I made at home. So I'll just go ahead and mix it very well. So if you want to know how I made a custard powder, please check here and you are going to see the recipe. It is very simple and you are going to fall in love with it. I will mix it very well so that it becomes uniform. Just look at that thickness. I just love it. You can make it more thicker than this, or you can just maintain this. So we are going to make this in 2 flavors, that is strawberry and vanilla. So this is the vanilla, and I can't wait to show you the strawberry flavor. So I'm still stirring it. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon that says all for more videos? So I have 3 cups of milk, and I'm going to repeat the process again. Please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and I will be very grateful. So please follow me there. And I'm also on Instagram at lovely_mina1992. Thank you so much for your time. So I will pour this one in, and make sure you mix it very well so that it doesn't become lumpy. And this, we are going to make it very thick. Okay, I will leave the measurements of the custard flour I used on the screen so that you can try this, and I am very sure that you are going to fall in love with it. After mixing everything, I'm just going to pour this in my mixing bowl, allow it to cool down before we proceed. Thank you so much for your time once again. So please enjoy the rest of the video. You can decide not to add any condensed milk or any evaporated milk because of the ingredients I used when preparing the custard powder. Please, I will leave the video at the end of this video. Click on it and watch for me, and also it will pop up on the screen. Please watch it for me. I've added my condensed milk. Add it to your taste. Okay, use it according to your taste. That is what I meant. So I'll go ahead and add my evaporated milk, mix it very well. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm going to repeat the same thing with the vanilla flavor without showing it to you. Okay, thank you so much once again. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. So after I'm done, I will just pour everything in the cups, put my steak there, or insert the steak, then put it in the fridge for 7 hours. But my fridge, after 4 hours, everything was okay, but I didn't bring it out for you to see. So the next day was the day that I will show you how it is looking. This is for something personal. Okay, yeah, so you can also pour some in your rubber, tie it very well. So this is how you can tie it. Yeah, my time nana me ton friend say ice water. This is how we were tying it. Hey, so this is all what I got, and I'm just going to freeze it. And the next day, ta-da, 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 ta-da. So delicious, easy, and everybody fell in love with it. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, see you in the next one. Bye.